Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to do this video. Today it is the Colourpop Spring Collection, the Butterfly Collection. I purchased the entire collection as a whole. It was a $170 US, but you can purchase everything individually. As I go through the video, I will have prices for the individual product so that you have an idea if you want to pick some of these things up and not all of it. As always, there is a giveaway in all my videos, so stay tuned to the end so that you see what the prize is and what the hashtag is going to be for this video. Let's get into the swatches now because we have a lot to swatch. This collection comes with Supershock shadows individually. Also, you guys always ask what nails I'm wearing in my video. I picked boxes of these up at Walgreens. These are Impress nails. They're not too expensive. They have a little sticky tab, so you don't need any glue, and I can pop them right off when I'm done, and I don't damage my nails. So that's what I wear, and I buy all different colors, so don't come for me. So that is the deal with my nails. This is what they look on. But just so you guys know, I use these for the video and the sole purpose of the videos only. I don't wear these out because they're not very strong. They pop off very, very easily. I'm pretty rough with my hands. So if you're looking to get them and you're going somewhere, I don't suggest them. And I definitely don't recommend them for that. I'm pretty rough with my hands, and they won't stay on in, you know, doing dishes or cooking. They just plop right off. So with that being said, I will leave you now with these nails, but they're good for this purpose only, and that's why I buy them. And that's that. These are the oil slick ones. Enough babbling. Let's get into this because we have a lot to cover and I can't wait any longer. So let's go. All right, so the collection consists of 8 lipsticks, which is their Lux Lipstick. This is what they look like. Beautiful packaging. I did a bunch of swatches for Instagram already, so they're a little beat up, but that's what they look like. And there's 8 of those. So if you're interested in trying their lippies, we'll get into that later. There are 8 Supershock shadows. These are the individual ones. They come in this little box right here in shape of little turtles, really cute. And there are 2 books. So the first book is this one, Pretty Fly. And it has 6 Supershock shadows in here. Then there's another book called New Theory, which has their lippy sticks in here. And there are 6 of those, all different formulas. We'll get into that. Then there are 3 face palettes. There's Winging It, Just Do It, and Clockwork. So that's the entire collection. We'll get into them piece by piece, and I will have pictures up on the screen to help you along according to pricing for individual pieces and whatnot. Now let's have fun and get into the swatches. Okay, up first we have the face palettes. I figured I'd do these first and get them out of the way. The first one up is Just Do It. Now I will say I don't know the shade names because if you look, there's nothing on here. And on the box it says Zip and Zoom. But if you look at this one, the shade name is on the packaging, so I don't know what happened here. They are missing stickers on some, so I'm not sure. I'm assuming they are the right ones for the right box, but I'm going to put the proper one and the proper name up on the screen. I'm going to have to look it up and try and match them online with their colors as best as I can. So without further ado, we'll do the one with the name that I know of, and this is Winging It, and these are your lavenders. Each one comes with a blush and a highlight. And this is the swatches. Come close up to the screen as usual so you can see. Pretty powdery, but it's just a swatch. So you can never go by that until you try it on your face. I mean, you can have a good idea, but the highlight in this is beautiful. Blush isn't my color, but it's personal preference. Up next, this one came in this box. This is Clockwork, and this is also a highlighting cheek duo. And these are those shades for Clockwork. These are your salmon peachy tones. don't know which is which because they're not labeled. And here is your blush. And this is the highlight. Highlight is very soft, but I think I'm going to like this one. I tend to like peachy highlights. Up next we have Just Do It. And these are your pinkier. These are also a peachy. You know what? I'm going to put them next to each other so you can see the difference. You can see them together. And the way they're showing up on the screen is exactly what they look like in person. As you can see, they're very, very similar in tone. They're both peachy tones, but one is for light to medium and one is for medium to deep skin tones. But I'm going to swatch them both. I'm going to do them next to each other because I want you to see the difference in the tones. So this is the lighter of the two and the blush, and this is the deeper of the blush. This is the lighter blush and the deeper blush. And for the highlights, we have the deeper highlight on my pointer finger, and on my middle finger, the lighter highlight. So this is the deeper highlight, and this is the lighter highlight. You can see they're both peachy, but one's a little more champagne, the other's more a little terracotta peach, but they're both gorgeous. I'm actually looking forward to using all of these. All right, up next, we're going to get into some lipsticks. So this is the Lippy Stick Collection. This comes in like a book type packaging called New Theory. Has an open hole and just a sleeve for it to fit in. The names are on the back, and I will let you know the formulas as we go. And this is what the packaging looks like. Packaging is very cute, has little butterflies on the caps. So the first one up is Psych, and this is a matte formula. And that's your terracotta nude. Up next, we have Lullaby, and this is their Matte X formula. This is the one that's really, really matte. But it's gorgeous red, and it's very creamy. But it does dry down super matte. It's really pretty. Up next, we have Persuasion, and this is also a matte formula. Up next, we have Ink Blot, which is also a matte formula, and this is a brownie nude. This is Ink Blot. Up next, we have a Rosy Nude, and this is their Creme formula, and this is the shade Little Things. Yeah, I'm gonna go over here. This is the last one. This is Fly Fly, and this is their Matte X formula. So those are your lippy sticks in all their glory. Okay, up next we have the Pretty Fly collection. This is their single Supershock shadow collection. This is what the packaging looks like, and it has 6 shadows. And let's get into swatching. Up first we have Socialize. This one is my favorite in the bunch, and this is Three's a Cloud. Stunning. Up next, we have Flux With You. Champagne. Up next, we have Force Behavior. This one has a lot of micro glitters in it and they're pink. Up next, we have a matte formula called Up in the Air. And lastly, for this Supershock book collection, this is Goodbye Butterfly. And this is also a matte. Go over here. It's actually like a satin. Yeah, this is more like a satin matte. It's beautiful though. Really great color. Especially for spring. Okay, up next we have the Lux Lipstick Collection. This is the packaging that it came in. And let's get into swatching these. This is the packaging. It's a beautiful rose gold with little stars embossed on the tube and little stars stamped into the lipstick itself. So up first we have Tiptoe. And that is a brownie nude. Up next, we have Reverie. Here we have Dream Easy. Next up, Afterglow. Next we have Angel City. Here we have Unraveled. Next up, New Wave. I hope you can't hear that. My husband's vacuuming. That is your true blue red. It's a blue-based red. Up next is Carousel. And this is the last of the lips. This is the last of the Lux lipsticks. And these are your swatches. Okay, and last in the collection are the single Supershock shadows. There are 8 of those, and we will get into the swatches right now. Up first, we have Superfly. It's very sheer, so if you want to play with it like as a top coat, fine, but I really can't recommend this one. I don't like it. Up next, we have Polly. So pretty. Up next, we have Buzzin'. And this looks like a matte brown with some gold flecks in it. Yeah. Okay, up next we have Race You, and this is another one of the sheer ones that I wanted to show you guys that I think they were going for duochrome. You could see the gold shift in this. This is Race You. Even the formula on those two are weird compared to the others. And there you have it. A lot of glitter in that as well. Here is another one that I think they were going for duochrome. This is Ripple. And this is also quite sheer. It's actually looking pretty nice on camera. but it is sheer, and it has a magenta base and some glitter, and I have a feeling on the eye this can get quite messy. Just keep that in mind. This is by far my favorite out of the entire collection. This is Ladybird, and it's just absolutely stunning. And I highly, highly recommend picking this up. It's Ladybird. If you like that wet look on the lid, this one, or Froggy by Colourpop. That's also a Supershock shadow, but this is Ladybird, and I really recommend this one. You can do a lot with this. Okay, we have two left. The last one, second to last one, is Bumblebee, and I love this one too. Almost like a cantaloupe orange, really pretty, and it's different, that's why I like it. And lastly, we have EXO. This is like a raspberry color. This is EXO. Okay guys, that completes this video. I hope you stayed till the end. The winner of this giveaway will be a Colourpop quad with your choice of 4 shadows. So if you win, DM me and pick out your favorite 4 single pan shadows from Colourpop. I will fill it and have it delivered straight to you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the winner of my last video. Thanks, have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.